Hello everyone, I'm Kim with HouseFit. I'm going to be showing you an exercise called Quadruped Rock Backs, also known as hands and knees rock backs. So this exercise is great for creating hip mobility, for decompressing your spine, just kind of warming your body up in the morning. I think it's a great thing to do first thing in the morning, but especially if you have some low back pain or stiffness or hip pain or stiffness, it's a really great thing to work on. The original option is to be on hands and knees, but I'll also show you a modified version. So you can do this on the ground or on your bed. Okay, I'm going to use the elevated mat. When I get on here, if you're on the bed, you can let your toes kind of hang off the edge of the bed to help with the range of motion. What I'm going to do is focus on just relaxing my neck. And then I'm just going to breathe in and out as I allow my bottom to come towards my heels. Again, trying to kind of let your neck go. I pause back there and then I come back up to my starting position. So you can do a bunch of these, 15, 20 repetitions. If it feels really good to stay back here, you could stay here for 5 or 10 seconds. But I would err on the side of motion rather than staying back there for really long periods. So do your rock back, hold for a few seconds, come back up. You could also play around with separating your knees so your hips are in a bit different position, and that will change the way it feels for your hips and back. How far back you go depends on you. You don't want to push through pain. You want to allow for increased repetitions to improve your range of motion. So don't force it. Just allow your body to kind of move through some of the stiffness. To modify, you can use a little bit higher surface. I'm just going to grab a few pillows. You could do this at your kitchen counter. You can rest your forearms on the surface. So this is a little lower surface than a kitchen counter. So you can be higher up potentially, and that's fine. Allow my knees to be a little bit bent. My feet are about hip width apart. And then I'm just rocking back. Again, kind of trying to relax the neck. Allow for the weight to come through your forearms. My weight is going to come from my midfoot back to my heels, okay? And then you can play with how far forward or back your feet are to get that stretch. And just get some good breathing as you go. Okay, so again, 15 to 20 reps. You couldn't do this exercise too much. So you could do it 5 times a day if it feels really good, but at least once a day to get that stiffness out, maybe reduce some back pain or overall stiffness. So give it a shot. Have a great day.